Yeah, now you almost stink as much as some of the people in here. Maybe even a little more. Yeah, maybe not. I think it's just a different kind of smell. Oh, now I get it. I'm not about to die. The cat was just following the stench of the dead rat coming off the sponge. I don't need you in my inventory anymore. See ya. Well, I'm no expert, but I think I've done a pretty good job. Now for the next step. Well, I hope something grows, but I'm not holding my breath. That's it. Get out of here, you damn things, and don't come back. Doesn't seem to fit in there. Okay, old pal. Let's hope it works this time. Okay, today is the day. Let's go to the field. I did it! I managed to grow something and the crow didn't eat it. Wow! I haven't felt this good since I bought the Godfather box set and it didn't include the third one. This is great!
Okay, it's safe to say you passed the test. Congratulations. From now on, you'll be this prison's gardener. Here's the key, as promised.
Thanks, Murray. Your kind words flatter me. Hey, could I also be in charge of the woman's wing?
You better take this seriously, kid. That key brings great responsibility. Don't forget it.
I'll make you proud, Murray. I knew it. That horrible stench could only mean one thing. Fertilizer. Okay, I got the fertilizer. Now I think I should focus on getting some phosphorus, and I know exactly where to find it. I just need a little patience.
Like I said, in prison, a man will do most anything to keep his mind occupied. It turns out Randy's favorite hobby was to amass cigarettes and matches, one at a time, day by day. I guess after all he'd been through, Randy decided he'd been here just about long enough.
Okay, prisoners, listen up. As you already know, yesterday we welcomed Mr. Randal Hicks to our penitentiary. Nobody knows if he's some kind of tobacco industry mogul or just a guy with a lot of resources. But the thing is that he has several items in his cell that are pretty coveted around here. He's been given some privileges because of his status, so don't forget it. And treat him with respect, okay?
Thanks for the lecture, Mr. Turnkey. But I reckon the fact we're all standing here keeping watch on Mr. Hicks's cell shows that we already know he's a man who takes care of his friends.
Well, today's the day. I feel it. I've been locked up in here long enough. Can't help feeling a little sad about leaving this place, though. Grown kinda fond of this filthy little hellhole. Anyway, time to get some work done. Let's check what we have so far. Soap? Check. Phosphorus? I think 400 pounds of matches are more than enough. Cooking oil? Negative. Pink bismuth? No. And fertilizer. Got it already. Well, I guess I need to find a way to get the rest of this stuff. Can't be that hard.
Good morning, Mr. Hicks.
Morning, Steve. Any news?
Your new shipment of gum and cigarettes just arrived.
Perfect. Tell the guys to store it in warehouse number 4.
But, sir, there's no more room in that warehouse.
Well, then work something out.
Yes, Mr. Hicks.
Got it. Didn't think I'd manage without my dear old trusty duck hanger. How's it going, illusionist?
Pretty well, Mr. Hicks. I hope you're having a good day.
All my days are good, Martin. All my days are good.
Would you like to see a magic trick, Mr. Hicks?
Sorry, but I'm a little busy right now. Maybe later, okay?
Of course, sir. No problem.
I wanted to talk to you about your magic box.
Sure, sir. Would you like to see a trick now?
No, that's not it.
I don't understand. What is it then?
I want the box, Martin.
Please, Mr. Hicks. This box is all I have. I can't just give it away.
Oh, Martin. You know that if you make me say that again, you're gonna spend the night in the infirmary. And I don't want that for you. Do you, my dear friend?
No, Mr. Hicks. I don't want to spend the night in the infirmary.
All right, very well then, Martin. So?
Here's the box.
Thank you. This is very kind of you.
Please, take good care of it, Mr. Hicks.
Of course. No worries, okay? What's up, Gruel Guy?
Hey! Hello, Mr. Hicks. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, Gruel Guy. Very well.
So, do you need anything?
Of course I do. Why else would I be talking to a nobody like you?
Sure.
I asked you for something a long time ago, but you just ignored me because I was a nobody at the time. Do you remember that?
Well, honestly, I don't, Mr. Hicks.
Never mind. The thing is, I've been very patient. I've taken my time, but as you can see, I rule the prison now. I'm the big kahuna in this joint.
Of course you are, sir. Everybody knows that.
Okay, so now I want what is mine by law.
What? What do you mean, Mr. Hicks?
may I have a word about your beloved pink little bottle?
You mean this one?
Exactly. And if it's got some pink bismuth in it, it's all gravy.
Well, it's your lucky day, Mr. Hicks. It says right here, pink bismuth. How did you know?
I guess you could say I'm an observant guy, but the only pink stuff I've seen in years is that stupid liquid.
I see. You know, I keep getting this heartburn. I think it's because of the pig swill they serve here.
Yeah, you know, Bruno is not as good of a cook as he thinks he is.
If they served us some decent food, I wouldn't have to keep carrying this bottle around.
I see. Look, I kinda like you. If I find some kind of healthy food around here, I'll let you know, okay?
Thank you, Mr. Hicks.
Alright, I'm out of here.
Very well. See you around, Mr. Hicks. Take care.
Where's the sense in that? Where's the sense in that? I think I've lauded over that guy enough for now. Much better now. Man, I will never cease to amaze myself.
Yeah.
Ouch! Oh, great. If I ever make it out of here, I swear I'm going on a diet. Now there's water pressure. I can't do that. This is strange. Might not even be a clover. Until I get the water running, I won't be able to use it.